Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have data ready, so begin by selecting the range where you want the Linest results to appear. Choose a 2-row by at least 2-column block. Next, click the formula bar and type equals Linest, then select the Y range followed by a comma and the X range. Make sure to include absolute references if you'll copy the formula later. Once done, do not press Enter yet. You must enter Linest as an array formula to return full statistics. You're in the crucial step. Complete the arguments so Linest returns what you need. For a standard fit type equals Linest, eRange, XRange, true, true, to compute the intercept and extended statistics. If you only want slope set stats to false, but for diagnostic values choose true. Now confirm the selection using Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter in Legacy Excel so the function outputs multiple cells. In modern Excel, simply press Enter if your version supports dynamic arrays. Make sure ranges align by rows. You now interpret Linest output. The first row gives coefficients, slopes then intercept, and the second row shows standard errors when stats is true. Additional rows include R2 and standard error of Y. If values look off, verify that X and Y ranges match in length and contain numeric values only. One common fix is converting text numbers to numeric or removing constant columns that cause singular matrices. If you still see errors, try adding a small jitter to X or use Excel's regression tool for comparison.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.